Yeah.
Max, sit. Good. Wait, Max. Wait. Okay, jump. Jump. Hey, Max, jump. Jump. There. Over. Good boy. Tunnel. Max, come here, Max.
He's coming.
Good. No, Max. Come. Max. Shoot. Good. Jump. Jump. Max, come here.
Nice.
Jump. Good boy. Tunnel.
No treats until he comes out.
Tunnel. Go tunnel.
There we go.
Max. Over.
Good job. Good job.
Good
That's a great course. Once you memorized it, it was a great course. It was fun. Lots of fun.
We were good.
All right, well, that is it for
That was
tonight.
fun. Thank you.
Everybody did great. And have a great Thanksgiving. Enjoy friends, family, enjoy your dogs. They're the best.
Happy
And
Thanksgiving.
no classes on Saturday, no classes until next Tuesday night. So
All right.
just FYI.
Other one.
Sit.